Hi, I'm Adam.
And I'm Michelle, and these are 3 games for studying world geography.
Our first game is Pandemic. I love Pandemic for world geography because it really demonstrates how the world that we live in is very interconnected. Because the diseases spread and how they spread is really cool because of how North America and Europe are so interconnected, and Asia and just all those different parts around there are interconnected. So we really like to use this one for world geography because it just demonstrates where major cities are and where major countries are and how we are all together interconnected in this world.
Next, we have junk art. In junk art, you're going to be doing a world tour and creating all kinds of art made out of really wacky pieces. You'll be visiting many different cities throughout the world, places like Amsterdam or Montreal or Tokyo. Each location that you visit is going to have a different kind of rule set. In some, you're all building the same structure together. In some, you build a little and then pass it on to somebody else. It's very challenging. It gives you a little bit of art. And if you keep a map nearby, you can track your travels throughout the cities to see where you're going in the world.
Our last one is Fauna. Fauna is a game in which you are seeing a picture of an animal and you have to decide where you think it lives somewhere on this planet. But the really cool part about the game is that it gives you points for being close. You can get a lot of points for being dead on, but you also get points for being close. So we play this one with our 3-year-old quite often as well, just because he can usually get pretty close.
Today's topic was by special request. Do you have any learning topics that you would like suggestions for? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.